Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to walk you through how to apply a travel visa to travel to Niue Islands. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Niue Island visitor site, or you can say website of Niue Island Tourism. Here, if you go for the traveling section, they have informed that it's highly recommended that you should have travel insurance. Now, next question that comes in everyone's mind is visa. Okay. So the passport must be valid, of course. And if you're visiting New Island for less than 30 days, you don't need a visa regardless of your nationality. That means it is open for all nationalities if you want to stay for up to 30 days regardless of your nationality. Okay, fine for tourism. But there's a catch that how would you enter there? Because the only way you can enter is through New Zealand. Okay, so that's what is the like a catch because flights to this island are only available through New Zealand. So if you are going to this new island, you have to go to New Zealand first and transit. So that means you need to meet New Zealand's transit or tourist or whatever, like their entry requirements. Okay. You cannot just directly fly over to New Islands. So again, it depends upon your nationality. So this is something you gotta check for New Zealand. If you really need a New Zealand transit visa, then you can go over there. So for that, I have already made videos, so I'm not gonna go into that. But yeah, you got an idea. And in case you want to stay for more than 30 days, then you need to apply a visa. So how you're gonna do this? So there's a link to apply. So what it does, it sends an email to Immigration Department of New Ireland, and they will guide you. They will ask you all the question purpose, and then they will issue the permit to you. So in this way, it works, guys. So let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.